Alright, welcome back. We left off finishing the crane here. It's looking pretty good. Just like so. So now our next step is to work on the bucket. So this is going to take me some experimentation and thinking, but I'll wrap it up in a nice montage for you. Alright, so I have an 8-inch rod that I bent around and a 4-strip rod here. It seems to be pretty close to the scale. Alright, I feel like 2.5-inch spacers are enough. Well, I've got my 3 or 2.5-inch strip rods loosely taped in. Now I just got to figure out how I want to attach the scoop here before I go too much further. More epic montage of thinking. Well, I made myself a few more rods, and I'm going to come back and cross support these. I think I need a support from the bottom here to the midpoint here. Alright, I've got my scoop nice and supported. Should be able to bear the weight of the arm pretty well. I'm still deciding on this front piece and then how to lift it all up because I want the arm probably right about here. As I'm holding it, I feel like I've got a bending point right back here that I'm going to reinforce. But be sure to hit that like button if you like what I'm doing. So I'm just going to continue work on this bad boy right here, the scoop, completely made out of duct tape. I just added this part. I'm still working on bringing out the scoop to make it a flat platform for now. Okay, so I'm just going to tape a couple pieces with a 45-degree cut or so. Alright, just taping this piece in to make it a little flat platform. And I'll support it from the bottom. Alright, got my little flat platform down here. Now I just need to make an attachment point, back hook for pushing the shovel. Alright, so my idea is just to make a piece like this. And then we could probably slide it in between these two. I'll have my bottom hook and my top hook all nice in one package. And now we have ourselves a starting point. Oops. Alright, I got this joint pretty well taped down. I'm just going to add a couple spacers to push on it from either side. I think that'll help keep it from bending also once load is on it for a while. So I think I'll come back, since this piece is a rectangle, I'll come back and add a facade to it to make it that more squarish rectangle shape. Alright, I've cut 7 pairs. And then I'm just going to tape them intervals. And since I generally have the space, I'm just going to offset them a hair. This will make it easier to attach, so I could wrap pieces all the way around. Alright, I've got all my spacers in. Now I just need to run beams in between them and then taper them off into the body there. And that should give us a nice facade. Once you do that, then I'll attach to the top and throw in some supports there too. I'm almost out of my 2-strip rods. I'm gonna have to make more of those. Alright, I got one side done. Got the facade here, and then I'll come back and attach it up here. But before I put on the skin, I've also got to figure out where I want all my pistons to attach to. Alright, well there's my facade. Bottom edge at least. And then tomorrow I'll come back and tie it together, and then it'll actually also provide a little extra stability for this thing. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.